rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. It seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Now, drop the bomb. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Here's your payment. Get back to the phones for some more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the trade. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill him for some extra money. Nice one. Here's the extra money. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. Who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, we've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a test.
Nice car. I'll take it.
As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but